Hi friends, today we'll discuss about unclaimed deposit. Friends, my channel is useful for commerce students. If the student is BCom or MCom, because everywhere in all my videos, not only I covered the concept, even accounting entries, even accounting concepts, accounting posting. So everything I'm including my video. So these my videos are useful for commerce students, maybe BCom or MCom or MBA finance students. Somebody is preparing for bank exams, somebody preparing for bank PO exams, or people are working in software industry. If he is a developer in a banking project, or he is a junior business analyst, or he is a tester working in a banking project, these videos are very useful. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and even your friends, somebody is working in banking sector or a banking project, please share with them. What is unclaimed deposit? If you open a deposit in a bank, you will have a maturity date. For example, I will open a deposit for 1 year. So after 1 year, it will be matured. After maturity, these maturity proceeds should be taken by the customer. He can withdraw money or he can transfer to his own account, operating account, savings account, or he can renew. Means this amount can be invested in another deposit. But what is unclaimed deposit? You are receiving a deposit from the customer, but on maturity, you have not given any instructions and you have not taken any money. Then it will be called as unclaimed deposit. If this unclaimed deposit period is more than 10 years, or in operative accounts, account as inactive or inoperative from last 10 years, then these are called unclaimed deposit. From the day it has matured the deposit and you are not claimed, then unclaimed deposit period has started. Same way, your account has become inactive, on that day onwards your unclaimed deposit period started. In my example, I have taken a 1 lakh rupees deposit from a customer for 1 year. Open date is 1st January 2008. Maturity is 1st January 2009. But customer has not approached the bank and he has not taken the money, or he is not transferred to his account, or he has renewed. Nothing. Now today is 22nd November. If you calculate dates from January 2009 to November 2020, it is more than 10 years. So every bank will have unclaimed deposit. These are every day they will be adding the days. Once it crosses 10 years, then what the action should be taken by the bank? Unclaimed amount will be transferred from respective bank to RBI DEF account. DEF means Depositors Education and Awareness Fund. These amount will be transferred from X bank to RBI or Y bank to RBI in DEF fund. But this is when customer approaches the bank, then you can take a claim and this amount should be paid back to the customer only. These details will be available in bank's website. Every bank, all unclaimed deposit for more than 10 years should be transferred to RBI DEF account, and customer details should be posted on their official website. Or if customer can visit the branch and submit the claim form, he can get the proceeds. Is there any interest paid for the unclaimed deposit? Yes, at present 4% per annum it will be calculated. For example, unclaimed deposit for 5 years. Customer comes to the bank and he says, okay, I have a deposit and I have not claimed that deposit. Now I want to take my money. Then you calculate 4% for unclaimed period and you paid back to the customer. Now I think you understood what is unclaimed deposit. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.